Hello and welcome to the Prokon YouTube channel. I am Andrew Brooks. This video will illustrate how to use the array and polar copy commands within Sumo. All the copy commands can be found on the modify ribbon in the copy group. We will be focusing on the polar and array copy commands. As with all the modify commands, you can first select the command, or you can first select the element to be modified. In these examples, I will select the command first and then follow the on-screen instructions. First up is the polar copy. All the commands in Sumo have text in the top left corner of the screen for guidance, and the copy commands aren't any different. Choose the elements that you want to copy. Select the rotation center, either graphically or by typing in the coordinates manually. Choosing the rotation graphically will probably be the easiest in most cases. Choose a reference vector. Choose a rotation angle. Again, this can be done graphically, or you can type in the rotation angle manually. Finally, choose the number of copies that you want to have created. A good example of when to use the polar copy is when trying to model a circular reservoir using shell elements. Choose an appropriate width for each panel and polar copy the shell element to form the circular shape. Next is the array copy. The array copy command expands on the linear copy by allowing you to copy elements in two directions. Select the objects to copy. Choose a vector start point. This is usually a point on the element that you want to copy, but it can be a different position. Select the vector in the first direction. Select a vector in the second direction. Notice that these two options asks for the vectors in the two directions. That means that a distance and a direction must be given. You can select the vectors graphically or type in the direction and distances manually. Specify the number of copies in the first direction and specify the number of copies in the second direction. If you have the same element that must be copied in more than one direction, then use the array copy. Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.